Yeah, yeah. I said I feel invincible. It's 100 niggas in the spot. I won't keep going. It's 85 just to walk on. I don't talk to these niggas, cause a lot of these niggas be corny. I'm feeling horny. I got a percolated bitch. I give it a percolated dick. I show it a percolated tricks. Possible, they know who in the city. Possible, nigga, you can ask Diddy. Possible, what's up a city or titty. Possible, going 50 for 50. I pop a perk or retorted, then shoot up the party, then change the artillery. Energy.
Yo, welcome back to my channel, guys. God of Mars here, and today I'll be talking about how we got 200 pips in my channel, 100 pips for GBPUSD and 100 pips for EURUSD. So let's get into it. So what was I looking out for? First, yesterday was Tuesday, the 6th of September 2022, and the price action we got was massive here. We took a lot of profit out of the market, like a lot of profit. I had to like tell them to close off, because if we head that trade through to Wednesday, being 7th, that should be like more than 300 pips in profit. But let me show you guys what we are looking out for, how we got into a trade. If you have not watched my previous video where I told you guys what I was looking at for the week, I will invite you to go over there and watch it, because I explained what I was looking at for the week and possible scenarios that will play out in EURUSD and GBPUSD, which played out yesterday, and we capitalized on the trade and made profits out of the trade. Now, this is EURUSD chart, the daily time frame. So what can we see here? A downtrend, like falling channel here, and we've seen price has touched the high here, the resistance level here, currently leading to going for the support region at this level, right? If I draw out this trend line clearly, then we are targeting this low here. But before then, there should be minor bumps around the road, like probably this key level here, 0.99000, which we mentioned before. Here is a very key level for price to stall around before going lower, right? Price can probably stall around here, then go higher, then fall to the downside. But before then, we'll see how price plays out, right? Now, what can we see here? We can see that price is clearing on the downtrend. Then going over to lower time frame, you can see more trend lines inside the trend line, right? Let me show you what I mean. You can see the bigger trend line here found on the daily time frame. And can see clearly on the weekly and the daily time frame, right? And inside this trend line, can be inside the trend line, we can find another trend line inside the trend line. Now let me draw it out for you guys. You can see this trend line, right? Creating lower highs and lower lows, right? Lower highs and lower lows. So clearly we can see another downtrend inside a downtrend. So this is the forward time frame. And how did we capitalize on the trade? On Sunday, I told you guys that I was looking for price to bounce off of this support region, right, and go higher, right? Then what happened? Price played around that level, right? Then went to the upside to test this trend line again. Let me draw the trend line very well. Test it very well, right? I noticed that price refused to break up this high. Price was still respecting the trend line. So that was why I told my community members to engage on the sell, right? And this, I didn't just use trend line as my confirmation. I also used another tool, a complementary tool called Fibonacci. I used that tool to sell my confirmation. I pulled up my tool from the high to the low, right? And I mapped out my key level, which is this zone and this zone here. And that key level, right, corresponds with my trend line, which I was looking at for, right? You can see trend line confirmation, Fibonacci 2 for confirmation, and also the lower highs that were being created here. So we had like three confluences: the lower highs, the trend line, and the Fibonacci 2. So this was signifying and screaming, right, sell, like it was screaming hard, sell, sell, sell. So we got in at this level. I didn't send out this signal to my free subscribers. I sent out EURUSD trade to my paid subscribers and sent out GBPUSD sell to my free subscribers. So those in my signal group called 200 pips, while those outside my signal group got 100 pips straight, right? So now, if you doubt me, yeah, look at the screen. You can see the proof when I sent out this trade for EURUSD and when I sent out the trade for GBPUSD, both in my private and in my public group, right? If you want to be part of that community, I would advise you to go down here, go down to the description of this video, tap on that link there, join the community, follow me on IG because I normally send out proof and send out trades on my IG for free, so you can gain more from there. You can gain from the community, and also if you want to gain a personal relationship with me, hit me up on Telegram and I'll give you my WhatsApp contact. So from there we can probably get talking, right? So and also if you're new to my channel, I'm sorry I didn't say that earlier. If you're new to my channel, I advise you to subscribe, leave a comment. If you like this video, like it. If you don't like it, dislike it, right? Going over to what's how we got into the trade, right? I've explained the trend line, I've explained the lower highs, I've explained the Fibonacci 2, right? So we got in at this level, because at this level, SL placed above this level, right? So I was not targeting this lower trend line here, right? But I did not hold this trade through to the end, right? I stayed around this level. I left the trade around 100 pips, sure 100 pips trade, yeah. I left around this level because I held it through yesterday and even some, yeah, till this morning too. I held it till this morning. Then I now close my USD trade this morning. Then going over to GPUSD, the one I sent out to my community members for the free. What did I receive or what did I look for before getting on the trade? Now, I've had the buyers from DXY, right? I've had the buyers from DSY. What was I looking at for DSY? Going to DSY daily time frame. You know, DSY is we like call it the opposite of EURUSD and GBPUSD, right? This is the dollar index. Now, whatever dollar does, opposite will occur in EURUSD and GBPUSD, right? Now, I've seen that DXY is creating higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher low, right? Higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. So I knew the price was screaming for upside momentum to continue. So with this in mind, it's confirmed my EURUSD sell bias, confirmed my GBPUSD sell bias too, but I did not know where to get in for on the GPS trade, right? So I waited for price to take out a high, right? Take out this high. So price smashed through that high, took it out, right? Then I looked for my entry on the right time frame. If you want to know what I looked at for here, right? You have to join my community, my mentorship community, where you learn more about that. So when price checked out all my criteria here on the lower time frame, I got in for the sell, right? I saw a good opportunity at this level. At this level, right? Our SL was placed. Remember, this is the 4-hour time frame. Our SL was placed above this line, right? Above this line. Yeah, so we didn't risk much on this trade. Although my public subscribers got in slightly lower than where I got in, right? Because I was fast enough to get in before sending out the signal. So probably they got around this level. So they were using a 35 pip stop while I was in 35 pip stop, right? And I was targeting this low. Our final target was, I think, 1.14500, right? So yeah, honestly, so this was clearly 107 pips trade, but we didn't hold it straight to the end, right? We left around 100 pips. My target for the day was just 100 pips for each trade. So immediately it got hit, I exited all my positions and I closed off all my trades, right? And I told them to exit, except those that want to still hold and probably towards the end of the day, right? But for me, I left the trade. So around this level, I left the trade and 100 pips. Yeah, I left the trade. So this was how I got 100 pips trade on EURUSD and 100 pips trade on GBPUSD, right? I advise you guys to join my community here. Lots more of content coming in. Today's Wednesday, and we have already caught 100 pips on EURUSD and GBPUSD, 50 pips for each, right? We got 50 pips for EURUSD buy and 50 pips for GBPUSD buy. In my private community, I didn't send a signal to my public community members. So we are up 300 pips for the week, and it's just Wednesday. Thursday, Friday is gonna be massive. I'm seeing a lot of opportunities from this level already. You may see a huge buy, yeah, but I'll not tell you guys when I enter. If you want to see it, join my community. If you want to be part of the move, join my community. I'll be sharing this one for free to my public community members. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you.